6, 7 years, Manchester City never bought fullbacks. We didn't have fullbacks, and we have to buy fullbacks. And we buy 3, and the market is so demanding right now for all the teams around the world, not just for Manchester City. So I think I start a little bit when Madrid started with Cristiano with 96, and after Bale with 100, so make that gap. Everything went more expensive. Now with Neymar make the other point. So, but it's going to finish. So it's unsustainable that, and of course, next season, for the next 3-4 years, Manchester City is going to buy 1, 2, maybe 3 players, but not going to buy what happened that season. But we needed to do that because it was one of the oldest teams in Europe, not just in the Premier League, and you had to change it. And if we are not able with that players to the fund, we have to find another solution.